Yeah. Let me tell you about a man I know. Big Mac Sam with the heart of gold. Behind the wheel, he's a legend, no doubt. Teaches skills on the road, that's what it's about. From stop signs to turns, he breaks it all down. With a smile on his face, never wears a frown. He's got the knowledge, yeah, he's got the style. Driving with Sam makes it all worthwhile. Big Mac Sam, the best of the best. Teaching me how to drive, put my skills to the test. No jump through four, he keeps it real. But behind that name, he's got the perfect wheel. Big Mac Sam, oh, he's awesome, you see. With every lesson learned, I'm feeling so free. Pulling up to the car, feeling just right. Sam's in the passenger seat, ready for flight. Check your mirrors, stay in your lane. Every little tip running through my brain. From parallel parking to merging in lines. Big Mac Sam knows he's the one who shines. Driving out on the streets, feeling so alive. With him by my side, I'm destined to thrive. Big Mac Sam, the best of the best. Teaching me how to drive, put my skills to the test. No jump food for, he keeps it real. But behind that name...
Oh. Oh my goodness. Woo-wee! That took my heart out. He was apologizing. That guy just got right. He just kept going and woo. My. Man, my heart is still going fast. Damn. I guess he wasn't looking or something. I just made a video about that.